How to use JustWatch app. Open the JustWatch application. You can install this application from Play Store or App Store. Create the account for yourself. Creating the account is very simple. You can create it through Facebook, Google or email. After you create the account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can discover many movies and TV shows over here. Tap on the movie or TV show that you would like to watch. Now you can see the details regarding the movies over here. Tap on the option Play on TV in order to watch it. You can also select the streaming platform of your choice. If you want to add it to the watch list, tap on this icon. Now the movie will be added to the list. In order to see the list, you can tap on the option List that you can see at bottom. Now you can see all of your lists over here. Likewise, if you tap on the new icon, you can see the newly added movies and TV shows. Also, you can see leaving soon, coming soon, on sale, etc. Tap on the option Popular in order to see the popular TV shows and movies. Tap on the option Sports in order to access the sports. You can see various series of sports over here. If you want to access the settings, tap on the gear icon that you can see at top. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option Settings. You can access the settings like country or region, language, etc. Likewise, you can see your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see at top. You can see your account actions over here. You can tap on this if you want to access these features. It is very easy. So these are some of the settings you need to know in order to use JustWatch. Like this, you can use JustWatch app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.